So we're looking at a typical KitVac installation here, whereby the unit already comes factory assembled and set up for right hand side cupboard mount. Note that the same unit, we can modify it, takes about 3 minutes, change it from right hand side cupboard mount to left hand side cupboard mount. Then you'll notice that we've got the unit set back approximately 20mm from the hinges, so we've then got room when you hang your hose. Shut the door, you've got your clearance. So we keep everything neat and tidy with the KitVac. At the rear of the machine, we've got a 50mm hole that we drill, and then we feed our dustpan hose down through it. Once you've completed that, you'll then use a piece of wire and check for clearance under the kickboard where you're going to locate your dustpan. We suggest centre, either the cupboard doors or centre to a single cupboard door. Once you've done that and you're happy, then complete your cutout in your kickboard for your dustpan, as per our measurements in the manual. So to see how we make the connections with the dustpan, we're just using some tape that's provided in the kit. Several tight layers of tape around ensures a good seal. You'll note at the back of the machine we have our dustpan control, low voltage cables only, that then will protrude through the kickboard, same as your hose. You're just making a connection to the two brass caps. So back that off, connect your forks on, check your moving spring to make sure that the clips are pointing down and do not impede the moving spring, and you're away. That's the switch to turn it on and off. Once you've secured your dustpan, it's a case of screwing the KitVac unit to the wall. There's 2 screw holes here. It just attaches straight to the cupboard wall. When you ensure that you put your bag back in, we should have the motor filter down the bottom and then your KitVac bag. You're all set to go. A few points to finish on. Our dustpan. Make sure you take the dustpan caps off from the inside edge here, and then they'll clip straight out. Don't pull from the outside edge. Once you've secured your dustpan to the kickboard, last thing you'll do is put these caps back in. Use our couple of pieces of double-sided tape to further secure the dustpan caps to the dustpan. Last point, this cover plate is removable from right hand side to left hand side. Once you determine your correct side mount, further secure it with 4 dobs of glue or super glue, and then make this permanent. Great feature of the KitVac is the ability to be able to run 2 dustpans off the one unit. So in a typical setup here, we're showing you the dustpan at the front and then one at the rear, which could be at the front of your breakfast bar, which if that backs onto your dining or your living areas, just enables you to have more convenience in sweeping up your daily mess. We provide you with a complete expansion kit with all the fittings. It's very easy to connect up. It's only low voltage cables and everything is done underneath your kickboard. So to finish on your accessories, we've got a dusting brush. You've got an extra long flexible crevice tool. So it actually comes in 3 pieces that just all connect together. And then we've got our broom, which just attaches via a screw there in the pack. To collapse the broom, it's opposite directions, twist in opposite directions, and it just slides straight down. You've got an option to hang it, preferably though, try and leave it set up all the time and have it close by.